I was so surprised not to see your man penny sort helicopter mu assessing the flooding situation. Oman
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
I was so surprised not to see your man penny sort helicopter mu assessing the flooding situation. Oman, are they not aware of your situation?
They are.
Oman, are they not aware? It's your man penny person say, and no tina helicopter mu kofa wie mu no, and who say Ghana, your engineering challenge na. It's also resolve it. The mandate to the task force I would say one more say one more ensure the flooding challenge, you know, and so you find no problem near there, they should identify the problem no more famra. The committee or say na a Standogbe, a Kennedy, Western Housing Ministry, the minister he was part. Yeah, my Marietta blew appear upon she was part. Oh man, ye me see I will say report to Ben a committee de baye. I do my ben no more ye. Etunim say ye could such a situation more. That be oh man say no anticipate first no. Ye near to pa. Omo ya way. They know the problem, they know the challenge, they should fix it. And man in sim ye. Now woman yen as if say won't take that, won't that a busy that.
Are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama. Ukromu inkrana sabi papa wotino. Say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say yeah serious pa. Hey. Are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama. Ukromu inkrana sabi papa wotino. Enso yiri fa wo ma. Ye kobon paye Friday akopedin. Ye kobon paye se Nyankopon na emeboaye. Ye akwadofo ama bibia ye de hye mpaibo. One can say Friday ye nkodwene ekwan a ye be for solve flooding. Ye be solve doom so. Ye be solve unemployment adwuma eni ho. Ye be solve apomuden ensema obetimi ko hospital no akowu ye ankasa Friday ye kobon paye ye kobodwa 16 regions ni nyina ye kwede a ye koda Nyankopon ase say Ghana Republic 1960. Are we serious? Just say ye serious pa. Hey. Are we okay? Are we really okay? Yeah, just say okay. President John Mahama. Ukromu inkrana sabi papa wotino. Enso yiri fa wo ma. Ye kobon paye Friday akopedin. Ye kobon paye se Nyankopon na emeboaye. Ye akwadofo ama bibia ye de hye mpaibo. One can say Friday ye nkodwene ekwan a ye be for solve flooding. Ye be solve doom so. Ye be solve unemployment adwuma eni ho. You best solve apomuden ensema obetimi ko hospital no akowu yankasa Friday ye ko bompaye you ko waste your time na ka sesa na Nyankopon ye ne nyoma na ye akwadwofo ama ye bibia na ye de se Nyankopon pe hypocrites from Bible de bia maka mi o Kristo mi o gidini Ba ye ha Nyankopon dodo. Na no me be ka kire wo ha. Se nyoma ni bi wo hanye mpaibo. Me be ka kire wo. Enye the Lord's prayer ne hallelujah ne solve issues. Me be ka kire wo. Bishop to do besma kasema o kan no. A wo de Zambia ene Ghana twa mfato ho no. O say success is not in the revelation stage. A decision making to be successful. So obedi ya enyem paibo obedi ya eyensi ye obebo wa adwene pa Nyankopon de ma oni se fa ye adwuma. Nyankopon dum ye nyansa. Ode onipa share Garden of Eden ni mu. Wan kan kire Adam ni Eve say mo sori anopa mo mampa ye mame there be o se wo sori anopa ye asase na me dia ma no fa bi ka ho.
Okay. Because enya any ensuo no eda so a etim kwan yi mo sha last week edie drip machine ba ko bedru hanum sei no ofi wajagbawe ene baaye ba bi akọ ni free baaye de yanim police ni so nim driver na no wono ne de drip machine ne baaye no wo operate no ono ni betimi a kire ba bi akọ ni free baaye o receive call ni wie ya wose yese won fam car ne mra offer drip machine na wode ababa se nwia ne wo kwan ne so no drip machine na enye assembly ne dia drip machine na eye Ghana exika and ye de toye drip machines na ye Ghana japade no wode aba ye Ghana adwuma no assembly obi afrani fi assembly hono mo say offer drip machines ni mramesi office obi me politics wo mi video ya say obi hu me ya bra ne ya model ya bra ne ya model endra MTTD officer wobo car ne ho wobo drip machine ne ho and wopa driver na chow mesrawo sekudi ya tuwa bi fi se kwan no both sides nyina block cars no wen wa ha wo mu ntibi twa mu ko ba bi o mo ko MTTD
Nyuma president Obaye so Obabe solve Ghanaians problem president Obaye so be creating Nyuma dia ma youth president ne baya watem $27 million e dia kwa akoto sanity pad dia be chama nkola so we journalist na wote e na wuye e besiga na o man Ghana na nya ne ntuma pafura so we journalist now what's a war fight for Ghana? Fight for propaganda. Fight for personal interest. Fight for selfishness. And yes, Kumasi Kurase. What's the would year 24 hours economy policy? A best then as a market in a walk see Kuranaseno. A be contain 24 hours economy policy. Yay. What are some more kind? Or say $40 so. Na dollar na wa tesono intime reflected to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What $1 so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What $1 so? Enso yen twade. What $1 so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What $1 so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Yes, hospitals no. Woman nimpa woman beda so. $1 so. Yentua nurses ka. $1 so. Yentua teachers ka. Injidie pa na echere se amambo na NDC bu na ye papa. Dia na echere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na ku
Also for so partner say when this party. So ne for so be also. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me na my kasa am very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. Me catch up plan. Kawano atum. A Dr. Baumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work no. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my Ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Some people who said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one at two. When you must say, me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a Obushwan for okay? Good.
Of Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
That is brother.
if it is, if I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No, he contested.
So for this comment, I haven't heard it.
Okay.
So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy Omanhene Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy Omanhene Japan. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes.
Today,
and look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. Oh, I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you.
Omanhene just say yenim Omanhene issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia yede ma Omanhene ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya ma mo na. Busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, Omanhene bi timi ko borrow Omanhene bi presidency. Omanhene bi timi ko borrow Omanhene bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and the go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. Ese kesika no kwan kanye de wasa botumi wo say oh, I mean say wo say people for ya akonfo. Na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate am say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na ten afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians ni nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women no nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open kokon kete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yan kete ya adwen kete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye kete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kokon kete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open kokon kete. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Radio Ndramani ma so o mema us come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de Radio Ndramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member voter region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say Council of State member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.